Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall Logitech G Hub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Whether you're running into glitches, performance issues, or just want to do a clean reinstall, this guide will help you get it done quickly and properly. We'll go over two straightforward methods using Windows settings and the control panel. Let's start with the first method using Windows settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Then navigate to the Apps section and select Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your version of Windows. In the search bar, type Logitech or G Hub. Once Logitech G Hub appears in the list, click on the three dots or select it directly, then choose Uninstall. Confirm your choice and Windows will begin removing the software. This method is usually the quickest and works well for most users. The second method is using the classic control panel, which gives a bit more control. Click the Start button, search for Control Panel, and open it. Then go to Programs and under it click on Uninstall a program. Locate Logitech G Hub in the list, click on it, and then click Uninstall at the top. A prompt will ask whether you want to save your current settings or remove everything. If you're planning to reinstall, saving settings might be useful. If not, proceed with a full removal. Once uninstalled, you'll notice G Hub no longer appears in the list of installed applications. That confirms the software has been successfully removed. Also, any associated drivers or background services will be cleaned up automatically. If Logitech G Hub was causing high CPU usage, freezing, or device connection problems, a clean uninstall can often resolve the issue. After removing it, you can always download the latest version from the official Logitech website if needed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can uninstall Logitech G Hub. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.